Hi, this is Harsha Venkatesh from Dwaith Funds. I keep hearing a lot of young people especially talk about mutual funds. What do you mean by I'm holding an equity mutual fund? Equity mutual fund will have host of equities which they will in turn invest, and you are holding a portion of that. If I say I have 200 units of mutual fund, that means I am holding 200 units of this larger entity which is investing in equities. So there are a few different types of mutual funds. One is purely an equity mutual fund, which is the most popular. 80-90% of the people, when they say mutual fund, mean equity mutual fund. So that means you are investing in companies. So where are these companies trading? These are companies which are trading in index in India. So these are some of the larger companies are in the large cap index. Smaller companies are usually not in any index, but they are part of one of the 6,000 odd companies which are listed in India. So that is about equity mutual fund. Within equity, you have large cap, mid cap, small cap, multi cap. What do I mean by that? Large cap would be top 100 companies. Mid cap would typically be the next 150 companies. Small cap would be the next 250 companies. So that is the typical nature. Multi-cap is any of these. And what about debt funds? See, debt funds are also a category of mutual funds which are today in the market. Debt funds are nothing but like your corporate deposits. So if you have money which you have put in a FD in a bank, so that becomes a fixed deposit which is with your bank. So if you are buying a debt issue of a large corporate or a government or any other companies which are like PSUs and so on, so these get classified as debt funds. And you can also invest in a gamut of different corporate bond issues or government issues, and that goes and resides in a debt mutual fund. Third one is a hybrid. Hybrid is nothing but a combination of equity and debt. You also have multi-asset mutual funds. What do I mean by multi-asset mutual funds? You can have debt, you can have equity, you can also have some commodity. It could be gold, silver, so on and so forth. So the whole, equity, debt and commodity, the three together would come under a multi-asset mutual fund. So this is in short what a mutual fund investing is. And it is very simple, made very simple in India, and anybody and everybody is well protected when you are investing in a mutual fund type setup. So it is highly advisable, instead of you going and directly picking stocks, which sometimes are very risky because you will go after the well-known names which may not be the best ones to invest in because the valuations could be very high. The easier and simpler way to go with a proper mutual fund investing. So I hope that this was useful. Thank you very much.